Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a redeem code on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can start from various different game modes. Now, if you wish to use a redeem code in order to get various kinds of rewards within your game, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now, within this page, make sure that you are within the Gameloft Connect option and you will now see the redeem code button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to scan the QR code. You can use this option and scan the QR code, or you can manually enter this link within your browser. You can also tap on the Go button and it will open up this link where you can verify your user ID and you will be asked to enter your code. Just enter the code within the given box and then tap on the redeem button, and now your game code will be redeemed and the reward will be added to your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on your Asphalt Legends Unite game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.